friends, welcome to IT Plus videos. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please do subscribe it now. So today let us look at the various free courses offered by Coursera. So let's go to Coursera website, and here you will get all the free courses which can be used in your resume or CV to upload the certificates once you finish your courses. And as you see, this is Coursera, and Coursera has recently collaborated with the leading universities and companies, and you even earn a certificate or a degree, I must say, which you can showcase in your resume or your profile. And even it is a shareable certificate, that is on LinkedIn you can share it, so that the recruiters are happy to see your skills and they will recruit you easily. And see, nearly 4,000 courses and specializations are there, 13 plus professional certificates and 20 plus degrees. And you can do your MBA even here. Online MBA is possible over here, and there are so many nice feedbacks over here. So Kara A from this University of Business United States tells that she got an real MBA at the price that's achievable. So let's see how it goes on. So I have an account. If you don't have an account, then you must join for free here, and once you click on this, you join over here. Since I am already in this, so let me just log in over here. So I have created my account, and if you wish to go with the Coursera courses, then you can also create your account, that is sign up in Coursera and then go with this. So Coursera is offering you very free, very much affordable price courses nowadays due to this pandemic, and even also so many free courses. Like I have already enrolled in this Buddhism and Modern Philosophy. Like for my personal development, I have enrolled in this. So there are so many free courses. As you scroll down, these all are paid, and as you scroll down, you get to see, get started with a free course. And there is machine learning, learning how to learn powerful mental tools to help you master your artificial intelligence and the science of well-being. Then the career development, that is English, and your social psychology and all. You have everything over here. And this is, see, recently viewed courses. Okay, this is what I saw recently. And AI for everyone. And these are the courses which you can see. These are paid mostly, but free courses are there down, and no need to worry about that. And once you complete, see, in progress, if I see, there are, for me, I have enrolled in 2 courses, that is the Buddhism and Modern Philosophy, psychology, and municipal solid waste management in developing countries. So since I have a civil engineering background, I'll be going through this municipal solid waste. It may help me in my future, in my career. So see, this is the course, and once you finish this course, you'll earn a certificate which you can share on the LinkedIn or even in your resume. And see, it's an overview over here. So it's a 5-week course, and for every week you will have the videos, the any reading material if it is there, or the quizzes. Quiz is the important part of all, and you can you can even attempt that multiple times, so no problem in that also. Once you finish this, you will get a certificate. So that certificate is very valuable nowadays. Why? Because due to this pandemic, online things are preferred, and so the companies also preferring this online certificates. So that's no problem. It's a great choice for everyone. You can equally even explore as per your interest area. See, arts and humanities, you have everything, like not only the skills, but also you can have the degrees over here. And in your thing, you can just go through this degrees, and whichever institute you like, you can just go through that. Like this institute is offering you with some degrees, so anything, and popular topics are here over here, you can learn them as well. So even degrees like MBA and also master degrees, they are offering you here. And the certificates, they are professional certificates and also the master track ones. So you learn everything easily on the online platform. So as per me, this is the best for everyone. Just you need to go through that. And thank you for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please do subscribe it now, and also like, and don't forget to comment. I need your comments. I need to know how you felt about this. Thanking you.